This question from JEE 2019 from electrostatics. In this question it is given that in free space a particle of charge 1 coulomb is held fixed at a point P. Another particle V of the same charge and mass 4 microgram is kept at a distance 1 mm from P. If V is released then velocity at a distance 9 mm from P will be equal to 4 options given. Now let's solve this question. For solving this question, first we will consider the conservation of mechanical energy. From conservation of mechanical energy, we can write del U means change in potential energy plus del K change in kinetic energy is equal to 0. Therefore we can write minus del U equal to del K, or we can write del K is equal to, or as kinetic energy, change in kinetic energy equal to half mv square. So we can write half mv square is equal to its change in potential energy. So its change in potential energy is equal to del half mv square equal to del U equal to minus del U. Now if you put the value of del U, then it will be equal to, now half m means mass of the object or body is equal to half into 4 into v square into 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 into v square is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power 12, 10 to the power minus 12 divided by 10 to the power minus 3. This is the required potential energy, minus 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 12 divided by 9 into 10 to the power minus 2. So if you calculate this equation, then we can find half into 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 v square will be equal to, now we can take 9 into 10 to the power 9 divided by as common. So if you take this term as common, then our remaining term will be 10 to the power 12 minus 10 to the power, there is a term 10 to the power minus 12, 10 to the power minus 12 plus 3 equal to 10 to the power minus 9 minus 10 to the power minus 10 divided by 9. So again we can write this term as 9 into 10 to the power 9 into, there will be 10 to the power minus 10 divided by 10 minus 10 to the power minus 10 divided by 9. So we can write half into 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 v square will be equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 10 into 1 divided by 10 minus 1 divided by 9. So this term will be equal to, now 9 divided by 10, and this term will be equal to 90 into 9 minus 10. So after calculating, we can find half into 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 into v square will be equal to 9 into 10, 9 divided by 10 into 1 divided by 90. So there will be 10. So from this equation we can find v square equal to 2 into 10 to the power 3 whole square. So our v velocity will be equal to 2 into 10 to the power 3 meter per second. So this is our required answer of the given question. Now this option is matching with option number C. Therefore we can write, so option C is correct.